Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to fix AT&T app error code 902. Step 1. Perform a speed test first. Make sure you have a strong internet connection. Open the Safari browser on your mobile device and search for fast.com. Click on it and run the speed test on the page. The AT&T app generally requires a minimum speed of 2 to 3 Mbps, so if your speed is at or above this range, you should be good to go. If your internet speed is significantly low, you might want to reach out to your internet service provider for support. Step 2. Update the AT&T app. If your internet connection is fine, still facing the issue, ensure you are using the latest version of the app. Open the App Store on your device. Tap the search icon in the bottom right corner and look for AT&T app. If you see an update button next to the app name, click it to make sure you have the latest version. Step 3. Clear the AT&T app cache if the issue persists. Go to your device settings, find the AT&T mobile app and tap on it. On the screen, select Offload app and confirm. After a moment, a reinstall button will appear. Just tap it to reinstall the app. Step 4. Delete and reinstall the AT&T app. If you are still having problems, you might need to uninstall and reinstall the app completely. Follow the on-screen instruction to navigate to the app page and tap Delete app. Once it's uninstalled, open the App Store, search for the AT&T mobile app and click the Get button to reinstall it. And that's how you can fix AT&T app error code 902. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.